Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Mercedes-Benz CLA AMG line from 2019. This model is produced by Solido at the 118 scale. Everything in the front looks pretty good. I really like this grille, it looks very nice. So we have the Mercedes logos there. I got this model very cheap, only 32 euros from the 45 euros normal price. This model opens the doors, the front doors, and has functional steering as all Solido models do. In the back everything looks good as well. We have the stop lights, Mercedes logo. Let's check underneath the model. We only have the exhaust. That's the big detail on Solidos, on most Solidos. Let's open the door to see the interior as well. Let me zoom in there. Inside the interior, everything looks pretty good. We have those big two tablets. Also, I really like the steering wheel. So really done a good job with the steering wheel. Of course, we have some panoramic roof as well. Let's open the passenger door as well. From this side everything looks good as well. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about the model. I think for the price it's a steal, and if you live in Romania and if you want to get yours, you can check sdmodelcar.ro.